Hey, it's Nat here, and this is my brother,
Alex.
and today we're going to be doing the Fixing Each Other's Slime Challenge. So how this works is that we have our ingredients ready so we could fix our slime. So we can make it look better. So let's get started. That looks like Jello. Okay, I'm gonna start. This isn't gonna fit in the bowl anymore. So... No. It's I don't know how to call it.
So to make this slime better, I'm gonna get rid of some stuff.
Rip.
You added so many things.
And yeah, there's so many spiders. So first,
Yeah, but spiders are cool.
I'm gonna add glue because it's not sticky. It's too thick putty. It's a putty slime. So I'm gonna add glue, and why don't we use a bowl?
That's why we have a bowl. So getting rid of some stuff. Are you starting already?
Yeah. Oh no! Okay, trying to. No, not working. I should have used the bowl.
I'm still trying to get rid of this, but if I do, it's gonna take lots of slime away.
Ah.
Look, they're covered in slime.
Not really working. No.
So what did you add?
I added glue and lotion. Lotion
Why
makes it
lotion?
soft.
It was already good.
No, it wasn't. No, it was like putty.
That's why.
He likes putty slime and I like stretchy slime. So oh no, that means you're gonna make this one even harder. No! Okay. Do whatever you want.
Care.
Not working. Not working.
What are you trying to do?
I want to make it soft.
What was that?
Oopsies.
What was that?
It was lotion. It went everywhere.
It was lotion.
Okay, let's see if that works.
How many of these did you have?
I don't know. I added like half of the package. That's a little bit.
There's still more in here. Well, not that much.
Ah.
Okay, that's good enough.
Oh, it doesn't look very good. And
Okay,
I still need to change the color of it and then the texture.
I'm gonna add some glue.
Purple?
Yeah.
Purple. Matte glue. It's gonna be hard.
And then after that, I'm gonna add some purple glitter and some black glitter. And then I'm done.
Purple glitter? Where did you get purple from?
It's on your side.
Hey, I got it for myself. Okay, I think I'm done.
I think I'm done too.
I think I just want to keep the theme of how do you say it?
Halloween.
Halloween, and just add some orange paint.
I just need to add the purple and black glitter.
What purple glitter?
The one that you're trying to hide.
Where is it?
It's under you.
What? No.
Tell me where it is.
Okay.
Okay. I think that when I went like that, I lost a piece of slime that way.
Oopsie. I can't see the orange. I might have to add more so I can actually turn into orange.
Okay.
Hey!
Now I'm adding a little bit of...
Look what you made me do!
I didn't do that!
You didn't close it correctly. So
It's not my fault that you didn't. Ugh.
I could still save it, don't worry.
You're
Don't
gonna add
you
all that
worry.
glue. All that glitter.
No. Pour it back in. Okay. See? Nothing happened. Nope. It was all okay. It's okay! No! Everything's falling.
I think
Okay.
I might need some of that glue.
Okay. Take it. I have enough.
There.
You don't need more? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You positive?
Yeah, I'm positive. That's your fault. You saw me that I left it open.
No.
Mine is starting to look good.
Mine doesn't look very
I
pretty.
think I need more black.
Margo glue this.
More orange.
Yes. I want it to look like this orange. It looks so pretty. Kind of ugly. But it's okay. I'm gonna fix it. Hopefully it doesn't come out like the last one.
I think I need to add more purple.
It looks, yep. No, yep. It takes too long to fix a slime.
It has a mouth.
Those are some big lips. Oh, I think you ruined my slime.
Me?
Yes.
That was you. Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought you were talking about that one. You ruined my slime.
I agree with you.
I made your slime purple.
Purple.
I made your slime purple.
Purple. Where'd the song go?
Oh, what?
You're making song.
No, you weren't.
Okay,
I
I'm
made your
done.
slime purple.
Ooh, no. Ooh, no. Yes. I'm gonna add some eyeballs.
I think it's turning out good. What do you think?
Your slime has to see you a lot today. Lots.
I'm keeping this one now.
No! No! It's mine.
I'm
Something touched my head.
keeping yours because you messed up mine. Yours at
You're
least looks
keeping
okay.
mine. So you're keeping this one,
No, I'm
and
keeping this one, the one I'm using right now. You can keep the one you're using.
I'm confused. I'm confusion.
No, you're not. You just want this one.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble. That's mine. Nope. It's mine!
No, you're gonna use it all. Okay. Why isn't it coming out?
No, don't use it all.
Okay.
You got a little bit. You got a little bit. It could see you.
You need to mix it a little bit more, and then I'll be done.
I'm
then
sorry, I
we'll
ruined your
do
slime. That's your slime.
Challenge. Whoever makes a bigger bubble and more
Okay.
noise.
Okay.
Whoever makes the most noise wins.
I
With the
won.
slime, with the
Oh.
slime.
You need to explain yourself.
Okay,
Okay,
first we have
one.
to show the slime. This
I
is
was-
how mine came out. I think it came out okay. I think it looked better before. Yours looked definitely better before.
Yes. It looked better
I made a
before.
bubble.
Try to fix it. It doesn't look very good. The orange
No, I
is
popped
not.
the bubble.
The orange is not a very pretty color. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to keep it alive.
Okay, my turn.
I could hear the eyes.
Jingle bell, jingle bell. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That was
Whoa.
bigger.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Oh, the noise.
No, you have to do that at the end. That's part of the challenge.
Okay.
1, 2, and
Mine farted.
mine was okay. Not big, but it was okay. What about yours?
Okay. Yours is more slime, so.
I know that one's more slime.
Ooh!
One more time, the last time. No, that one didn't count because I didn't make a bubble.
Huh?
Oh, is it popping time?
Yeah. It's popping time.
I think I made more noise than you did.
Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn your bell notification on so you get notified every time I post a new video. And comment down below who you like the best. Bye.
Bye.
Sheep.